for the Mustang fans. 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra. Convertible, obviously. Now, of course, 03 Cobra is going to be a Terminator. If you're familiar with those, so this have the 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. This particular one's been massaged a little bit, what's underneath the hood, and we'll get into that here in just a bit. Go through what's been done, tastefully done, very streetable car. Looking good with the black wheels. They're actually SVE wheels. Along with the black exterior, black cloth top, and of course the two-tone kind of charcoal and suede interior. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this engine bay, the underside, the interior, kind of what I'm going to go through. If you want to take your time, look through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Of course, down here with the fog lights and the venting, the Cobra model only. Now, there are some touch-up spots on this hood. It does have the heat extractor hood. Those do have some touch-up spots within the black paint. Otherwise, you can see the reflection coming off that paint. It's a nice luster to it. Like I said, that is a heat extractor hood. It does function. This car has approximately 22,000 miles on it is all. And we'll check out the exact miles when I get around to the driver's door. We'll take a look at the interior. You can see up and down the sides of it. Pretty free of any sort of nicks, dings, or scratches. And again, you can see the reflection coming off the wall behind me. So black paint does show well on this. Gonna have the leather and suede combo interior. Suede is also in nice shape. There's that 6-speed center console. This does have the shaker, Mach audio system to it. 6 CD changer, power steering, power brakes, AC. Does have the power top. Rear defrost with the glass rear window, power windows, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. So nicely equipped. I mean, these are going to be loaded up just like your modern day cars. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I mentioned that 4.6 liter dual overhead cam supercharged engine has been massaged a little bit on this one. Go through some of the things, and again, you can consult with a sales associate when you call in, but I'll go through the majority of them right here. So we now have a Whipple Supercharger on this one. It's a polished one, looks great. A little bit different pulley system with that Whipple charger, and also an upgraded polished throttle body. JLT cold air intake, larger injectors to accommodate the little larger supercharger, Division X fuel system, Borla Stinger exhaust, BBK X pipe and high flow cats, SCT big air mass airflow meter. I did mention the SVE black wheels, and there are dyno sheets that go with this car where it has topped 540 horsepower to the rear wheels and a little shy of 500 pound-feet of torque. So this car will get up and move, no doubt about that. There is the convertible boot cover, I should say the boot for the convertible top cover in the back that is in the trunk. You're going to see that in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and check this interior out a little closer. Start this thing up, let you hear it run. Of course, here's your power locks, power mirrors, power windows. It does have power seat, driver's side, as well as some lumbar adjustments that you can do. Seat belts I do have unhooked. They will come up through the shoulder restraint here. I just have them unhooked. A little easier to do the pictures when I fold the seats forward. All right. Check the exact miles. Start this thing up so you can hear it. Obviously, you're going to hear that supercharger whistle a little bit. You're also going to hear that Borla exhaust. Now, there's your exact miles. 22,259 it looks like. Nice to have the parking brake on, and then the seat belt warning light. Other than that, no check engine lights, no service engine lights, anything like that. HVAC control, CD changer, fog lights, rear frost, traction control switch, dash, all in good shape, not sun-baked, not cracked. Interior in this car, very nice shape. Take a little closer look at these seats with the bolster. Not hardly worn at all. The nap of the fabric also there, so the fabric is nice and clean, in nice shape. That's kind of a suede. Alright. Slip around to the back of this. That Borla Stinger exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of it. Of course, the chrome Cobra inserts in the rear fascia. Good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to slip up here to the front. I want to pause this a second. We're going to pop the hood. Let you check out this engine bay. Here it is. Terminator engine. 03s and 04s, quite sought after because of this engine underneath the hood. Like I said, this one's been massaged just a little bit. And tastefully done, professionally done. You can see how smooth this one runs out. There's that SCT. Big air, mass airflow meter, JLT, cold air intake, polished throttle body, polished supercharger. Nice setup going on underneath here. Again, heat extractor hood. And again, there were dyno sheets that were with the car. A little over 540 horse to the rear wheels and just shy of 400 pound-feet of torque. Alright, that's the engine bay. I'm going to shut that down, close up the hood. I wanted to show you the convertible top here before we finish up this video. So give me one more second. Let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got the top up. Rolled the windows up too so you can see how everything fits, and it is just a slight tint to the windows. Nothing, I don't think, that's going to be too dark for any sort of state or local laws. Now, as far as the top, like I said, cloth and black in color. And again, nice shape. No rips, tears, really hardly anything for wear areas shown or anything like that on it. Glass rear window with the rear defogger in it. Now, as I kind of move the camera, this is a true black, like that right there. Just so you know, sometimes changing the angle, it might wash it out a little bit or make it look more of a gray. But this is a true black fabric top. And again, it is power. Stated earlier, and you can see how nice the side glass fits up into the top, and just the way it should is going to keep you dry or keep you out of the sun. You need to put it up sometime in the summer with the AC on. Otherwise, majority of the time, probably going to have her drop down. And you can see the still pictures with it up and the still pictures with it down too. So there you go, 2003 Terminator Mustang Cobra convertible. It's been massaged just a little bit. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.